Today, we are going to learn about Nelson Mandela. He was a man who spent many years in prison, but never lost hope. Through patience, courage, and forgiveness, he changed not only his own life, but the future of an entire nation. This is the story of Nelson Mandela. Nelson Mandela was born in 1918, in a small village in South Africa. His early life was simple and quiet. He grew up surrounded by tradition. He grew up in a poor rural community, where life was simple but difficult. From a young age, he learned discipline. He was also learned respect for elders. As a young man, Mandela believed strongly in education. He saw learning as a path to freedom. Books opened his mind to justice. He studied law and became a lawyer. He wanted to help people with no voice. He believed the law could bring change. Mandela saw that many people in South Africa were treated unfairly because of their skin color. This injustice deeply troubled him. He felt silence was no longer possible. He decided to stand up against injustice, even though it was dangerous. He knew the risk was very high, but his courage was stronger. Because of his actions, Mandela was arrested and sent to prison. His freedom was taken away. His long journey had begun. He spent 27 long years in prison, away from his family and friends. Many thought he would be forgotten, but his spirit remained strong. Life in prison was very hard, but Mandela did not give up. He stayed strong in his mind. Hope became his greatest strength. He chose forgiveness over anger, and patience over hatred. This choice changed his future. It also changed his enemies. In 1990, Nelson Mandela was finally released from prison. The world watched his return. Hope spread across the nation. A few years later, he became the first black president of South Africa. History was being rewritten. A new chapter had begun. Mandela worked to unite the nation and bring peace to his people. He believed unity was the only way forward. Forgiveness became his message. Nelson Mandela's life teaches us that courage does not always mean fighting. Sometimes, courage means waiting. Sometimes, it means forgiving. Even in the darkest moments, one person can make a difference. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next story.